The Nutcracker Suite, written by Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky. Hi, I'm Jim, and I'm here with my friends in Iceland. Whee! I'm going to tell one of my favorite stories. It's the story of the Toy Prince.
You want to go?
Ooh,
go get your shoes.
A toy prince?
Go get
Cool.
your shoes.
Do you want to hear my story about the toy prince? Excellent. It's a special dancing story, a ballet. Once upon a time, there was a toy prince. The toy prince ruled over all the toys in Iceland. Whenever a toy was feeling sad or lonely, the toy prince could always make it feel better. All he had to do was wind up his winder-upper. And when the toy prince was all wound up, he would dance. He would plier, échapper, battement, and sauter. Do you think his dancing made the little toy feel happy? Yes, all the toys were happy when the toy prince danced. They loved him very much. But one day, a bad mouse came to the toy village. Yikes! That mouse has a whole army of mouse soldiers! The mouse thought he should rule all the toys. So, when the toy prince wasn't looking, he took something from him. What did the bad mouse take from the prince? Yes, he stole the toy prince's winder-upper. Uh-oh, what a rotten trick! Without his winder-upper, the toy prince couldn't wind himself up anymore. His dancing got slower and slower. Retardando. Until finally, he stopped. Oh no! He can't dance anymore. That's terrible.